Welcome to our complete guide on Montenegro tax residency. If you're considering relocating to this stunning Balkan nation, you'll want to understand the key factors that can help you secure not just a new home, but a beneficial tax status as well. Montenegro, known for its breathtaking landscapes and charming coastal towns, has become a favored destination for many seeking to enhance their quality of life while enjoying favorable tax conditions. From digital nomads to investors, this video will assist you every step of the way as you explore the ins and outs of establishing your tax residency in Montenegro. First, let's talk about what defines tax residency in Montenegro. The primary criterion hinges on your physical presence within the country. To become a tax resident, you need to spend at least 183 days in Montenegro during a calendar year. This common threshold aligns perfectly with international standards, making it easier for expats to determine their residency status. However, there are additional criteria that may also qualify you as a tax resident, even if you fall short of the 183-day guideline. Understanding these determines how and when you can officially establish your residency. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look more closely at the benefits of Montenegro tax residency. One of the standout features is the favorable personal income tax rates. At a flat rate of just 9% applicable to most categories of income, Montenegro offers enticing advantages compared to many Western European nations. Furthermore, the strategic location of Montenegro serves as a gateway to both EU countries and Eastern European markets, providing an exceptional base for business operations. Coupled with its beautiful coastline and affordable cost of living, it's no wonder so many people are drawn to calling Montenegro home. If you're ready to take the plunge and establish your tax residency, the next steps are crucial. Start with obtaining legal residence, which is necessary before you can establish tax residency. There are several pathways to secure this, each with its own documentation and financial requirements. After that, you'll need to make sure you meet the physical presence requirement of those 183 days, which involves careful planning and accurate record-keeping of your stay. Tools like Pebbles can simplify tracking your days spent in Montenegro and ensure you're meeting all the necessary thresholds. Lastly, understanding the tax implications of becoming a Montenegrin resident is essential. Once you establish residency, you'll be taxed on your worldwide income at that attractive flat rate of 9%. Furthermore, be aware of double taxation agreements that Montenegro has with over 40 countries, which can significantly affect your tax situation. While there may be challenges to face, such as language barriers or bureaucratic documentation, being proactive in preparing yourself can ease the process. Whether you're looking for a new start or a strategic business hub, Montenegro awaits with open arms.